You're recording? Yeah, okay. We officially hate Blizzard Beach. Number one, there's barely any rides. And they're all slides. Like, yeah.
They're all slides. All of them slides. Except for... No, they're slides.
Well, it's a water park, of course, but like, they're not really interesting. And you take like hours to get into them. And also, the food sucks. I went to get cheese pizza, fries, and a drink. It came out $11.65 for that. And they barely give you any fries. And the pizza was burnt. And also,
it was pepperoni. She said cheese, and they said, okay, pepperoni. I don't know what they said it wasn't there, but...
So yeah, I'm irked. Ashley's sad. And irked. Mostly sad. Yeah. Also, what was the other thing about Blizzard Beach that we hated? It's just small. It's small. Yeah, the wave pool sucks. Yeah, Typhoon Lagoon is way better because you have that gigantic slide that goes gigantic wave. The lazy river, their lazy river is okay.
It's okay. It's really crowded.
Yeah, it's really crowded, but every lazy river is. Their lazy river's okay. I like the jets. They have jets.
It's too extremely crowded with the tube, and it's too shallow.
Yeah, it's too shallow. Way too shallow. Typhoon Lagoon's a lot deeper. This one's like 3 feet. And so yeah. Okay. We did.
I don't know what to say. So, I'm just gonna say Typhoon Lagoon is way better than Blizzard Beach because Blizzard Beach sucks booty.
And not the good kind of booty, like pirate's booty.
We should have brought our pirate's booty.
I was thinking that, but I don't want it to get all wet when we put our hands in there. Ew, we'll have dissolved cheese puffs on our fingers.
We'll have dissolved booties.
Yes, our booties will dissolve.
Dissolve the booties.
And that's weird. This is Toast and Toaster signing off.